Hello, guys. Assalamu alaikum. Today, in this video, um, I will show you how to configure yum server. Before configuring yum server, we should know that what is yum server and how, what is the purpose to configure yum server. In Red Hat Linux, yum is configured to manage software packages. It simplifies the process of installing, updating, removing, and querying software, handling dependencies automatically. Configuring yum server allows you to specify where to find the packages, manage repositories, and control how it interacts with your system. Before configuring yum server, we have to mount an ISO file. Um, because of our Red Hat Linux Enterprise is the latest version. I mean, it is RHEL 10. So we have to mount the RHEL 10 ISO. For that, for that, we have to create. We have to open hypervisor. Uh, we have to right click on that, click on settings, then we have to click DVD drive. This one, IDE controller 1 DVD drive. Uh, look, here is no ISO file. Now I'm attaching an ISO, click on apply, then OK. Doing that, we can see that it takes much time. We can see that an ISO file is now mounted on our machine. We have to click it, and um, there is some folders and files. I'm selecting all the files. Yeah, I'm selecting all the folders and files and copy it. Now I have to paste it in system root, then mnt directory. I am paste all the file in mnt directory. Yeah, here we are copying all the files and folders. It needs some time to copy. We can see that all the files and folders are copied in mnt directory. Uh, Now we can eject or unmount the ISO files. Okay, then so I'm going to change the directory. To change the directory, I have to write cd cd etc yum.repos.d. This is a directory. Now I'm in the directory. Um, I'm checking here any repository file. Is there any repository file or not? So we have write command ls. There is no repository. So we have to create a local repository file. To create a local repository file, we can use Vim editor. Um, Vim /etc slash yum dot sorry um, sorry, I have made a mistake. It will actually local dot repo. Yes, this is our file. We have to write something in the file. So I'm pressing I for inserting text. Yeah. Now I'm right here. This command. This is our AppStream repository. This command is for AppStream repository. Um, Sorry. Yeah. This is our AppStream repository named AppStream Repo, and base URL is file/mnt appstream. It indicates that folder, AppStream. We need on more repository BaseOS. So we have to write uh, yeah, just AppStream word replaced by BaseOS. Yeah. After that, we have to save the file. To save the file, um, first we have to press escape button, then press that sorry, WQ that and hit the enter. Yeah, now I can check the repository. Um, Before checking repository, um, we have to install RPM. To install RPM, we have to change the directory. So I'm changing directory to MNT. MNT. Yeah. Here I'm write RPM import, then our RPM file and hit the enter. Yeah, here is our RPM. Now I have to check our repository is enabled or not. To check, we can write yum.repolist all. Yeah, our two repository is now available. Using yum server, um, now now uh, we have to test to install a service using yum server. Okay, to do that, we can write yum install httpd star y. Now I'm installing httpd service. Yeah, httpd service. The star indicate all the necessary service, and y indicates the um, y indicates yes. Actually, to write that command, we can hit enter. Now we can see that our yum repository can install httpd service. It will take some time. Yeah, yeah. Our httpd service has been installed in our system. To start or enable, we have to enable the service, httpd service. To enable the service, we need to write systemctl enable httpd. Yeah. Then we have to start the service. Start the service. Now we can check the status of the service. Status of the service. Yes. Now it's showing it is running. Okay. We have to do one more task, that we have to permanent HTTPD service in firewall by using firewall. So we have to write firewall cmd, then write permanent, then write down our service name, add service http. Okay. Now we have to reload our firewall. Yeah. Now HTTP service is permanently active in our system. Um, to verify uh, the installation process or HTTP is available or not, we can open a browser. Yes, sorry. We can open a browser, then right here our machine's IP, our system's IP 192.168.0.50 is our IP. To check that, we can write the command if config. Okay, where is our IP? Yes, it is our IP. Now, if I enter here, the page showing that this page is used to test the proper operation of HTTP server after it has been installed. If you can read this page, it means that the HTTP server installed at this site is working properly. That means our YAM server is working and we can install any service with YAM server. So our video, now I can stop my video. Uh, you can watch, you can like, you can comment to for this video. Thank you. Please do subscribe.